Just a short one today. I fit the heat shield, the storage box, the thermatic fan. They all needed a good clean.
There's 6 bolts that have come out of the bike. I think 4 of them have come out of the heat shield, and some of them have got a second smaller washer on the back. There's a couple more of those smaller washers. There's 2 that have got smaller washers. I think maybe 4 bolts with those 2 and with the double washers come out of the heat shield would be my guess. Anyway, I wanted to just show how a bit of a rub on the wire wheel cleans those 6 up, and we'll have a look after that's been done. That's that heat shield back in place. Coat of black paint after a little bit of acid to clean up the rough bits. The bolts shined up a bit, and then I've got the storage box ready to go back on. Tail light's been polished up. Interesting set of washers and rubber mounts on the tail light. Again, polished up on the wire wheel. It's looking the part. So a couple of screws required on the diagonal here and over there to get that back in place. I've also installed these Thermatic Fan brackets. I've got this Thermatic Fan apart. So I've taken it out of its can. I'm just going to run around it with a little toothbrush wire brush. There's not a lot of dirt on it really. I've already run the wire wheel over the can itself. I haven't tested this to see whether it runs. I suspect it does. It spins, well, it turns. I'm not sure whether I want to take it apart, whether I want to try and lubricate it. I've got to probably get, there's an 8mm nut there that's tight. I'm not sure whether I'm going to try and get into it or not. I've got that grill there in place and the bolts through the ends of these fan mounts. So that's what we're working towards. That's the Thermatic Fan cleaned up and mounted, I think, correctly. I've got a dodgy fan switch here that doesn't click on and off, but you press the button, it at least turns it on. And that's now blowing air towards the camera. Sounds right. So I think that's another little job ticked off.
So get out to your shed, try and be a bit more productive than I was today, and have some fun.